Koch here, and I just sent out the August issue of Foundational Profits, and a lot has gone down since the July issue went out. That was before the assassination attempt on President Trump. It was before Biden dropped out of the race. It was before the assassination of Hezbollah and Hamas leaders in the Middle East. It was before the Venezuelan elections, and it was certainly before the recent market meltdown that we all witnessed, and before gold went to new record highs. So plenty to get to in the issue. I do a bit of post-mortem on what happened, and so much has gone down, in fact, that I felt I should have just rewritten "We Didn't Start the Fire," and I take a stab at that, so you get a few lyrical verses on what went down as well. But right into the macro on, yes, the Japanese carry trade, but there was so much more than that with earnings season going on, tech stocks being blacked out, weak earnings and a rollover of the tech sector, in fact. And I cover all of that. And more importantly, I covered it in real time. So since the July issue went out, members of Foundational Profits have gotten 2 mid-issue alerts that navigated them in real time through what was going on, showing them what I was doing with my personal long-term and retirement capital, and how I was changing allocations, what I was trimming and adding to. That's what Foundational Profits is all about, showing you how I'm managing a safe long-term portfolio of capital. What ended up happening is that, even before the events of the past couple of weeks, we were anticipating a rate cut in the fall, and we're starting to get into rate-sensitive positions like utilities and REITs, which you would have read about in previous issues. And we'd still been holding a large percentage of cash and short-duration money market funds, as well as a fair chunk of actual gold, right? Not gold stocks. And so we were fairly insulated from the events of the past couple of weeks. In fact, 45% of our portfolio didn't go anywhere or was hitting new highs. We had consumer staple stocks that were hitting new highs, utility stocks that were hitting new highs, and then REIT stocks that were hitting new highs to the tune of 45% of our portfolio. And again, that's the value of Foundational Profits. I show you exactly how much I own. It's not like I say, here's 5 stocks and leave you to your own to decide how much to buy of each. It's a guide where you can literally copy exactly what I'm doing if you want, and some people do. So go through all the allocations in this issue. You get a table that shows all the positions and how much I own of each. We go through the commodities, which have broken down a bit, and then I analyze that and suggest recommendations for different commodities, the commodities themselves, as well as the companies that produce and explore and mine them. So you get a commodity section, and then you get informational excerpts for busy readers, where I give you select excerpts of other journalism that covers related topics to what we're interested in investing in Foundational Profits. So the August issue is a lot to get to. Obviously, we've had a volatility in the past couple of weeks that was higher than any point other than 2008 and 2020. So plenty to dive into and coach you through. So if you're looking to model after somebody's portfolio who's been managing their wealth for a long time and has seen numerous cycles, has seen 2008, has seen 2020, and was relatively insulated from this event because of the way I structure my portfolio, then by all means, check out the August issue of Foundational Profits. Be welcome to show you the issue and welcome you as a new member.